Kelly from the Miami Township Branch, and I'm going to show you how you can make some easy and functional crafts using corks and items that you probably already have around the house. Here are the supplies you're going to need for the projects. Corks, a hot glue gun, a Sharpie or other permanent marker, bamboo chopsticks or skewers, an eye hook, and a key ring. Here are the projects I'm going to show you how to make: a plant marker, a phone stand, a key chain, and a pencil holder. The first project is a very simple key chain. You're going to need one cork, an eye hook, and a key ring. You're going to attach the key ring to the eye hook. Then you will screw the eye hook into the center of one end of the cork. If you apply steady pressure, the screw will go in very easily. And that's it. That's your very easy keychain. You can also decorate the cork too if you'd like. The next project we're going to make is a phone stand. And for this one you need 21 corks and a hot glue gun. You're going to take 3 corks and glue them end to end. And you want to do this for all of the corks. So you'll end up with 7 sets of 3. You will glue 4 rows together to make the base. Then you will glue another row in the middle on top of the base. Do the same thing with another row next to the one you just glued down. And finally, glue the last row in the center of the 2 that you just glued down. And there's the finished product. Next, we're going to make a plant marker. For this project, you're going to need corks, bamboo chopsticks or skewers, and a Sharpie or a paint pen. You want to make a hole in one end of the cork, and I used an extra eye hook to make the hole. Once you do that, you just insert the end of the chopstick into the hole that you made. And you'll write the name of the plant on the cork. This is a fun way to identify plants that you have in pots or in your garden. And finally, we're going to make a pencil holder. For this one, you'll need 26 corks and a hot glue gun. First, you're going to glue pairs of corks together end to end. Then you're going to take 3 pairs and glue them together to make the base. Then you will glue the pairs around the base to make the sides of the pencil holder. And that's it. Those are 4 easy functional crafts that you can make with items that you have around the house. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for more ideas on recycled crafts, check out our catalog at clermontlibrary.org.